Alright, we got an NS train. I was just eating my Tim Hortons. Oh, I got there on time just after I finished my Tim Hortons for breakfast. So I was in the rainy ass day, bruh. Oh my god. Well, that's already to end that fast. Wow. Then on this train is Norfolk Southern 15M. NS 15M. The 15M originates from Buffalo, New York at the Bison Yard, heads west of Conway, Pennsylvania, where it terminates all on this Saturday. No. Yeah, no, it's Friday. Friday. June 16th, 2023 by burning the Railfanning on YouTube. On to the next video, roads. We got a train coming. I think it's an Amtrak. My guess, and there it is. Guessed it. That's all for the video. And Amtrak 48 originates from Chicago, Illinois at the Union Station and heads east to New York City at the Pennsylvania Station. And if you guys like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more train videos.